Hey, thanks for joining us today. We're going to tour you through the Storyrock community built by Taylor Morrison. It's called the Capstone collection, showing you highlights of the community along with one of the model homes, the Horizon plan. Something that is really amazing in this community is just you're in the McDowell Mountains, Sonoran Preserve. The mountain views are just everywhere and just insanely beautiful. So it's a really unique community located in Northeast Scottsdale. It's about 128th Street and Ranch Gate Road, which is where we're seeing some of our new construction happening in North Scottsdale. This is a gated community and all single level homes ranging from 4 to 6 bedrooms and 4 to 6 car garages. So I hope you guys enjoy our tour today. Please like or follow if you're enjoying the videos. The Horizon floor plan is 4,082 square feet with 4-bed casita, 4.5 baths, a flex space, great room / gathering room, and casual and formal dining, along with a 4-car split garage. And some of the features we really love about this home are just a very dramatic foyer and entry space, a really unique dining room experience where you have the dining room that opens to the beautiful courtyard with doors coming out from the dining room to the courtyard. So that makes for a really nice, unique dining room area. And then when you come into the great room, or they call it the gathering room, it's just a really large entertaining space off the kitchen, the really big, massive kitchen island, and a ton of cabinets. And then that all opens up to the sliding glass doors that go out to the patio area. So really nice open concept living with an ease to easily include that outdoor area into your interior. So I hope you enjoy going through this Horizon plan. It is part of the Capstone collection, and it's listed at $1,422,990. And again, it's at Storyrock in Northeast Scottsdale. And these home sites are about a third sold out.